Alright class, so if you would start your bell work in your notebooks, I want you to write down what you know about osmosis. You can put your pencils down when you're done. So today's objectives, we're going to explain what osmosis is and go over its importance. We're going to develop an experiment, and then you guys are going to implement that experiment. And you're also going to calculate the change of height, width, mass of the gummy bears after they soak in the water. So what did you guys come up with for your bell work? What do you know about osmosis already?
Isn't there something with osmotic pressure where it tries to equal itself out?
Yes. You want to come right down on the board?
Yes.
Please. Yes. Anybody else have anything?
Does it deal with both liquid and gas, or is it just one?
You can deal with both. Jean, do you have anything else?
No.
No.
Pressure's wrong.
Pressure.
There's R and C is the same thing.
P.
Did you have anything else, Jean?
No.
Tyler? Alright, well hopefully after the next couple lessons that we're doing in this class, you guys will be able to understand osmosis better. But we're going to start today by doing a lab, and I have a bunch of equipment laying up here. And your essential question for the lab is going to be, what effects, if any, does soaking gummy bears in water have on the size of candy? So I want you guys to all work together and come up with your experiment, and then go ahead and do the experiment, and at the end we will go over the results. So pick the materials you need. You have plain water, you can add salt, there's cups, there's spoons, a scale, your gummy bears, and a roller. So go.
Let's do it.
As you're doing this lab, I want you to think of some different questions that can go along with it to help explain it to other people.
Hey man, something a little orange.
Why would we use salt just instead of soaking it in water? Do you have to use salt?
But with the salt, we'll just
You wanna put some water in the room?
Huh?
We
I
have
don't
to
know.
put
The salt effect.
salt in that.
Yeah.
We do some with salt and some without salt.
Yes.
Yellow.
See if a brine solution
What about a brine paste?
or a brine paste. Whatever we feel like.
Brine paste.
Brine paste worked pretty well.
I think it is lime. Let's weigh these Johns first.
Okay, that's probably
Kyle, do you wanna weigh for each one, or do you just wanna try weighing one?
Okay. So let's develop the procedures.
You say each lab group has to turn in their lab then as well. Make sure you have your procedures and everything written down.
You know, single ones, or do you wanna do?
What was this?
Try the single
That's
ones.
a little bit fatter
Two.
when they're soaked in water. Actually, I think they'll lose mass.
We'll do three.
We'll grow in size but lose mass.
That was three.
Yeah.
What's that first
So I
one?
think the sugar
Two?
will
Two
dissolve.
again?
This lab's still stupid.
Supposed to be in this lab's teacher's pet.
Well, I'm
This is a
completely.
good one. Okay, so let's do different colors. That way we can do like multiple trials. So we can do like the red one, the yellow one, the
Just
white
take the tab
one,
off.
the green one, and we can use it.
I mean, like, just do it without the egg.
That's 5
Just
trials,
no.
right?
Just do
Mhm.
two. Alright. That one's
Well-
two, that one's three.
How many do we want to do? Why don't we do 3 with
Two.
salt, 3 with water?
See if we can get done to three.
So 6 tries.
No,
That was
just
good.
no, it's just a-
Really could use 6 different colors of gummy bears in this situation.
Are there 6 different colors in
There
there?
aren't.
I went to two.
Yellow.
I can not do that.
No, I'm doing it individually.
Yeah,
or
we
do
went
you want
to-
as a group?
I think that was three. That way we don't have to deal with it.
Individually.
No, the one was 3 grand.
Okay.
So you guys dominate it.
I really have to.
Can't, yes. He can't exist anymore.
What's on there?
Oh, no, it was
5
on- yeah.
seconds. 6 seconds.
Alright.
So we should do like at least the same number in each one.
Yeah.
We'll do it all.
So let's do.
It's two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You done?
Yeah, we're done. That's fine.
Alright.
We're gonna soak it for.
Let's,
Mhm. So you said-
nice.
Who said it was more
Let's
than
do it
30
for
minutes?
3 minutes.
3 minutes, okay.
Alright. So you wanna put 1, 2, and we go first,
Can we
right?
get paper towel in this lab? For Mr. Mike.
Which one's the salt? That one's the salt, right?
Make sure you guys come up with your high partners and stuff.
Hello.
My partners.
You know what I mean.
Okay.
What affects it?
You need to wait
So
on
green
the
gummy
first.
bears and water have
We're gonna do
size
it
of-
individually. So
Right, well,
Our
you wanna
water.
put the, so we get regular water increases the mass.
It's decrease.
What about the one with the salt?
so we have
What's a hypothesis can be proven wrong.
Yeah.
But
What's the procedure?
before and after.
we don't even do the hypothesis, dude.
We'll do red
Why are you trying to do
and white.
hypothesis?
What do you think it's gonna be?
Mass.
I don't know, I think they're gonna gain after soaking in water.
Mass and doing
What do you
height.
think? Let's see, pick one. The regular
Doing
water.
whatever.
I'll just stay the same.
Yeah.
Stay the same?
Or say grow or doing adding.
Well, it says both on the board.
So then we'll do height and
Regular water, salt water stay the same. Or whatever, it's fine.
Let's soak them
What are you gonna do? Let's see if they can, so.
just one at a time.
Yeah, we'll do like 30 seconds. Every 30 seconds we'll read it.
so then we have
Let's do the regular guy first.
Kayla, are you using that scale right now?
about to.
You get a stopwatch? Yeah, I can stopwatch. It's
I thought it cost them 12.
dude.
Okay.
Let's just do
Or
it.
massive or empty.
We do a minute.
I'm gonna drop this at 1 minute 6. We should just drop it.
He has no
Yeah,
mass.
that's a good idea, bro.
So Sarah, have you pick it up?
-3.
Alright, and 30 is.
It's too late to wait.
Why didn't you drop it that one? Just do it at one. Yeah, one.
He's
Just do one at a
10.
time then.
We'll say he weighs 3 grams because
Man overboard.
Three, bro.
this is fine. You shouldn't have that. 2 grams.
You guys ready to wait?
Why'd you bring us a broken scale?
It works. I just used it last night.
So that one needs to be weighed.
This is promoting bad images for women in society since
How's this
they don't
gonna
weigh anything. We have anorexic gummy bears.
You can weigh that.
Well, the gummy bears don't
to
eat
weigh.
them.
Yeah.
You're supposed to
Yeah,
eat
we're
them.
not done weighing.
We're not done weighing.
Done?
You gotta be serious, gentlemen.
Okay.
That's a
We have the ruler.
Yeah, please. Nice. Thanks. Okay. 2, 3. Yeah, was that the first one? Yeah, there's 3. I'll write it down then. Gonna do it for a minute. In the water. We should do like 2 really trials. There's no point. Let's try these other ones too. How about we not do it because I can't keep track of 2 things. It's tough unless you have another watch. Okay. It's a tough thing. How's your day going?
Huh?
How's your day going? How's the weather out there?
While they're soaking, think of questions on what's causing this to happen or what do you think's going to happen.
What do you think's gonna happen? Bad news is we don't remember which
Y'all
one's which.
seem,
That's why we should put a little red and a yellow one.
that's
We
kind
know
of
which one it
crazy.
is.
Yep.
Alright, it's been a minute. Nice.
Okay. Let's make some salt water. Is that enough salt?
Mm-hmm.
Do the honors, Brenna.
You mean you don't want a salt taste?
Can I have a spoon?
45.
Can we run away with the spoon?
Jane, can you get off your phone, please?
I'm getting a clock.
Okay.
Get one of those. Each one's.
Ready?
Straight bigger. Wait, that's the one that.
So are we doing all together now then?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Ready?
Oh. Oh, you said you were doing,
Yeah.
oh,
These are the extras.
for 3 minutes?
Like that too?
Should we stir them?
Hold on, much step.
No, it's 3. That's so good. Which one? Choose number 1. These go for 1 minute. What's up, guys? 3. Take it, that's what you're waiting for?
No, we don't need it.
We're letting ours.
Okay, 4 and 3.
I'll also notice this size.
Circle it.
Tyler, can you, not Tyler, Mike, can you like listen to this?
The green one's getting bad.
Alright, so that's a 4-1. You can put this in for another one.
Is there a water fountain on this hallway?
Yes.
Should I go to the water fountain?
So why don't you come right back?
The 4-1's on top. 4-1's on top, and 3's weird. Is that salt? Is that salt getting in there? Okay, wait, find it. question? Okay. Just water. Let's go on top.
How long you guys want you to sit?
3 minutes.
Are you eating it on Fallen Soldier?
He was all alone. I felt bad for him.
Yeah.
He could go join the other ones that are in my belly.
He was made of wood, so he would be with his family. The rake. I know. It's on the It's been a minute. Yeah, it's a minute now. Talk guy. Old.
Okay, 3 minutes.
Nice. Very.
You should eat them after we're done, see if it tastes salty.
Can we have a scale?
Hold on 1 second.
It was also a good question. Yeah, I think so, man. Can you imagine we're down trying to do that again? Two different bears? Hmm? Two different bears? I guess so. See that, or I'm trying to measure it down. Oh, I know. Simply go here and work out on the size of candy. It's a trick question, maybe that had any effect at all. Let's go with that. So what we did, we asked the some bears in water for a minute includes.
I'm gonna drink this. That's all.
Wish that's how I record those two.
I'll do as it please.
Whatever. Alright, and then mask the beans. Beans? Bears, beans, beets.
Almost an
That's
inch.
our black pepper.
I did great. I did.
Oh,
So I
yeah,
tried
that's easy.
and I tried two new bears, see if there's anything different. So
2
let's
centimeters.
see what's good. I wanna know what happened.
They're clear.
I wanna know the answer. I wanna know.
So since you guys have already done it, try to think of what would happen if you let the bears sit overnight.
Cheese.
Lemon syrup would be definitely dry.
One.
Dry.
What if you let them sit in the water overnight?
Oh, and the water, oh.
It's a little bit warmer than that one's.
Oh, they'll probably soak up.
This one's just
They'll
gonna
probably have to paint some kind of weight. Oh, I feel like it's pretty tight.
So
Cheese.
just
Yeah, yeah,
finish your
easy.
lab report.
If you understand it, these are pretty, like, I don't know if they expand that much. I don't think they do.
A little bit, like the
I
other
don't know how
ones.
big the boiler actually put the water in.
How wide are they?
Do you measure their heads or their butts?
Heads.
Yeah, actually, there's some water, but if you want to wash it. Ooh. Well, maybe it's in there now. Yeah, maybe actually, because they keep coming back. Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, like, still, like, they wobble like that's not like it's like the police. Dude, that's a good, that's actually better. It's good, I bought this right there.
You guys done?
Mm-hmm.
So
I'm gonna reformulate on that box.
Isn't there like zero change?
there is. So we've learned honey bears do not osmosisize.
Osmosisize?
Says who? Did you write the dictionary?
Yeah, I did, actually.
Okay, you guys work on your own groups.
What affects,
Years.
if any, the second many bears
What's
in
the
the
original
world
law of
is
size?
sized?
The big one.
So far, no.
I bet if we soak chocolate.
Yeah, wait, that one, didn't that one
So
say same
think
at
of it as the
1 degree?
fact you guys did
This
the
one
first
was
3 minutes.
degrees.
What happens
Yeah,
if you
but I
let
mean,
the
didn't we
gummy
did
bears
two,
soak?
we did 2 minutes.
in the
though.
different
But
waters
that was like
overnight?
the first initial, and then that was.
What do you think would
and then
happen?
Did we do it another time?
ready to go over everything?
Yep.
Yes.
Alright, so this group can share what they thought was gonna happen and then what they actually saw happen.
Well, we thought that the regular water would lose mass, and we thought that the salt water was some kind of like additive, and it would either stay the same or increase. And we masked the bears, then we soaked 2 bears in each kind of water for 2 minutes.
In 1 minute increments.
Yeah,
In 1 minute
and
increments.
recorded the mass each minute, and it didn't change very much. Either one stayed the same in the regular water for the most part, and increased a little tiny bit with the salt water.
Okay, so going off of that, what do you think the salt water had to do with it?
We think that it kind of absorbed some of the salt.
Okay.
But we kind of want to do the overnight test.
What do you think would happen if you left it overnight?
We were hoping that it would increase more or show some kind of, it would dissolve or it increase more so we could really tell, but we're not really sure.
Go ahead and put your gummy bears back in, the salt water and the regular water.
That's the salt water.
And then when we come in tomorrow morning, you guys can go ahead and recheck them.
That's the regular water.
That's alright.
You know, where's that partner?
Caleb and Dean, what did you guys come up with? Anything different or just about the same?
We came up with basically the same. There was no change. We allowed ours soak for 3 minutes though. So we put more salt in our water. And we'll let them sit overnight and see what happens. Going for a salty paste.
Alright, I have another question then. What would happen if you think that placing your gummy bears on the paper towel took the water back out of them? So maybe if you would have weighed your gummy bears right on the scale as soon as you took them out of the water, that would have made a difference?
Yeah, but wouldn't that be kind of conclusive because the water is not actually in the gummy bears, it's like on the outside?
True. So how would you fix that?
You can wipe it off, I don't know, that's one of those things where it's, you don't want all the water to go out of it, but I guess technically it's still on the paper, but I really don't know. You think Tyler, yeah, help bro?
About the water.
Dean and Caleb, you guys can pipe in.
I think that it doesn't, I don't think that having the gummy bears touch the towel made a difference.
What about after all 4 of them touched the paper towel and the towel was extra water saturated and then it made it way more? It's like didn't make way more, so it makes no sense.
Because you're using all the water, that's why.
Okay. So tomorrow when we come back in then, we're going to go over, review the results and apply that to how the plants uptake nutrients whenever they're in the soil. And we'll recheck the gummy bears to see if they changed overnight.